Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to save a document in Google Docs. So let's get started the video. First, open your Google Docs. So unlike Microsoft Word, you don't need to click a Save button in Google Docs. As you type or make changes, Google Docs will automatically save your work to your Google Drive. At the top of the document, you will see a message such as Saving or Save to Drive. Once it says Save to Drive, your changes have been saved. If you want to save a copy of your document to your computer, then you can click on File, then go to Download, and from the list of different formats, select the one you want. You can choose Microsoft Word, PDF document, or just plain text. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.